Five Stars Window Installation Kit is the only way to install your window and be sure that you'll get the best life out of your window while also having a secure fit. Do not use rivets. Using rivets applies too much pressure to the window and will fracture the polycarbonate, cutting the life of your window. Each 5-star window kit includes enough hardware to install a complete set of windows, and the hardware fits perfectly into 5 Star's cut-to-fit, pre-drilled, beveled windows. If your window is not pre-drilled and beveled, you can use 5 Star's countersink drill bit, create the holes, and be ready for installation. Each installation kit includes 120 half-inch and 16 3/4-inch flathead socket screws, anodized to prevent rust. It also includes 136 nylon lock nuts, a long arm hex key, and a 9/64 inch drill bit.